This is not your grandparents' pontoon anymore.
That's super impressive. The turn on this is amazing.
Holy crap, super impressive. I don't even know if I'd do this in my boat. The Premier is on rails right now.
That's so much smoother. Much less work to do.
Yeah, it really feels like it grips the water.
That is unreal. It feels like a wake boat.
Wow. Felt very comfortable in that extreme curve.
For over 30 years, Premier's PTX Tri-Toon design has set the benchmark with the industry's best ride. The exclusive reverse chine design delivers the smoothest ride, the most stability, faster top speeds, quicker planing, more efficiency, and the tightest turning capability. Now, it's time to feel it. We invited boaters to experience a Premier pontoon against the competition so they could feel the PTX advantage for themselves.
I'd say I already feel more connected to the water. And it takes the waves a lot better, I'd say, too. More cuts right through them.
It does not feel like a pontoon at all.
The Premier is definitely a much stabler ride, I believe.
Much more stable ride.
This just bites and it holds, and you feel confident that it's going to maintain that turn radius.
Oh my gosh, this Premier is so much smoother.
I mean, the Premier seems like the Cadillac. It does.
It was crazy. I was amazed by how easy it turned the 360.
And then in the Premier, when you turned, it felt like it was locked in, like we were on, right at Disney World.
The 180-degree turns, on this Premier versus the Barletta just were night and day. One, how fast it cut and how fast it made those pivots. The turning radius was significantly less, and the control was profoundly better.
When I saw how much water had just poured in the back of the Barletta, on their sun lounger, that pad area, if there were passengers there, I mean, their day's ruined. The whole package is just of a higher quality on the Premier.
You could tell, it got up on plane a lot quicker, and when it stayed up on plane, you did feel like you're in a runabout.
I always felt in control of the boat, which for me is really important.
Honestly, it has a much safer feeling. Just the quality of everything too. So nice.
Yeah, there's no question. There's a little bit of buyer's remorse in me as we speak. From a performance perspective, from a control, from a even a safety perspective as I think about my family, and those are really important factors. I didn't know any better. 2 years in, it's night and day.
This Premier, I could see us tubing, getting our kids skiing in the back. I'm sold. I would love the Premier boat for sure.
I'd definitely go with Premier.
Go get yourself a Premier.
I want one.